it all off, just the camera alone, for just the camera. Alright, so let's get into the details of what's in the box. So you open up the box like this, and boom, 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 and let's show what's on the inside. Boom. Of course, you have your manuals and stuff like that. Boom. And the first and the main part, you have the camera. So this is how the camera looks. It's not too heavy. The battery is not in it as yet, but it's not too heavy. It's a bit manageable, not lightweight, but it's okay. All right. No, it has like this lock click where you can click sideways and boom, it open just like that. And then you can take off the lens cover. It's just a squeeze and you take it off. Now, what else? Take off the lens cover. You can put in this part is also detachable. Detachable? No, this no. In a detach, it can open. It's you can open it, right? All right. Now, when you open it, you can actually look while you're video. You can see yourself. So while you're videoing, you can see yourself. So the mirror can swing around. And there you go. When you're not, you can just close the mirror like that. Boom, and it clicks into place. Now, what else is in the box? You also have a